What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get or export your Sui Wallet private key. Also, if you're interested in equipment that I'm using to make this video, I will leave links to those in the description below. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Sui Wallet, you will be on your homepage right here. So to get your Sui Wallet private key, you would need to tap on your wallet address right here and select the manage option. Now, once you're here, they will offer you to export your passkeys, but because we want to export our private key, we would need to click on this menu right here, the drop-down arrow, and then select the export private key option, right here, the middle one. Once you click export private key, you will be on this new page right here. So here you can view your private key by clicking on this I option right here, but because we just want to copy it and for the sake of the video, I will just click on the copy option right here. And now we would need to authenticate. And there we go. Once we authenticated, our private key was copied successfully. So now you have your Sui Wallet private key and you can import it wherever you want. Or if you want to know how to import your Sui Wallet private key to the Phantom wallet, you can watch this video right here. So that's guys how you can export your Sui Wallet private key. Thank you for watching.